How Fūlàní are planning to attack some church for inside Biafra land. No be small thing o. They say that the Biafra army don come outside for this video. I go show you, come review how Fūlàni herdsmen and all the whole territory they plan how they go take attack Biafra land. This one na for inside church. Now he say the one they go, they drop the Ogbunigwe. No be small thing, my people. We go look how this thing take they happen. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. Today na the first time we they come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. See the here they bring you updates back to back as they hot. My people, no be small thing. This Biafra Liberation Army commander don't come outside though. Come review how Fūlàní and all this territory where they buy people for inside bush. They don't talk how they want take the attack churches now for inside Biafra land. No be small thing, my people. So share this video, may e get una pastor, so may everybody dey vigilant and dey very careful for their church, who enter, who no enter, and how the person take enter, motive wey enter dey enter, because this information no be wetin you go watch finish, you go keep am for your own self. You need to share am more, make the churches for inside Biafra land know wetin dey go on. My people, I go leave you, may you listen from beginning to end, and make sure say you share the video. Listen to this video I want to show you now. Listen very well and share the video.
Is it a peace that will bring the death of 30 millions that die in the name of Biafra? Will that peace restore them? Will the peace with Nigeria save Nnamdi Kanu from DSS dungeon? With the peace with Nigeria bring all the Biafra activists in their various prisons to a better life? You see that there is nothing like peace, and there will never be anything like peace until Biafra is restored. But watch out how is it going to play out from the month of February up. Do not forget to prepare yourself, because they have come in a different pattern. This pattern, while you are waiting to see if they are dressing with uniform, they have denied their uniform. They have denied their uniform and coming in a civilian way. But nevertheless, men are equal to the task. Check them very well if you see them in your area. Fūlàní is not hard to identify. Yoruba is not hard to identify. I know that another person have collected a contract. They have come with many machinery. It is not a new thing for us. We are used to them. But whatever way them comes, they have come to meet their doom. And wherever mean they come, their end is death. Now we dey here. Now we get the ground. This is the land of our ancestors. And as we always tell them, we go nowhere. So, tell your people that they should prepare while you are also preparing. Because as I told you before, that this rain that is gathering is going to fall. I do not intend to move further. as I told you earlier, that we do not have time to give you long sermon. Prepare. They have come and they have died. But we want to burn everywhere down so that this gradually cripple our people businesses will stop. So get prepared. We are going to do it together. Get prepared. We are going to do it together. Yes. Why I'm saying this is when it begins to hot, many of them will pull out their clothes and run to and enter your house and seek for refuge. But let me tell you this. Let me use this privilege to inform you. Anytime that happens and you accommodate or hide our enemy in your house, you and that enemy will die. It is your duty to draw our attention whenever such enemy run to hide in your domos. Take your eye, know whosoever that are a bubagu now, because they will also participate in the punishment. Those of you who think we do not know you, we know you. Don't worry, we are coming. You know how we they do. You know how we they do. Please stay safe. If you are in Imo State, the whole Imo State, stay safe. This fire is going to burn very hot in Imo State. It will burn so severely. And I hear we go start the fire to spread. The fire will spread out. Please, be careful. Stop moving in the night. Stop moving in the night. Stop 9 o'clock. Stop 9 o'clock. Stop moving in the night. Make sure you are in your house at least 7 p.m. You are already in your house. I'm begging you in the name of Chukokika Abiyama, or in the name of anything you know as your God. Stop night movement for your life's sake. For your life's sake. For your life's sake. If you are on the vehicle, once you know that that vehicle will not reach your destination before 7, tell the driver to upload that vehicle. Find a safe place and sleep. Continue that journey in the morning. For your life's sake. Life is more important. Because you never can tell what will happen from 8 down. These people are divine a very big mean now. And they have seen what you have not yet seen. They have made up their mind since Biafra is already settled. Then let's destroy and kill Biafrans before they finally achieve what they have already achieving. This is the authentic information. Many people who move in the night were nowhere to be found in the morning. Those of you who love football so much, please, if you die, you will not watch that ball again. If you cannot stay in your house and watch, if you do not have any means to watch football in your house, leave that football, let it go. Unless you have happy and way that will keep you away from the main route to walk and to the destination where you are going. But also they are making plan to bomb these Yaris are making plan to bomb churches. They are making plan to throw bomb into churches. Don't play with this information, oh. Otherwise, these people want to destroy anywhere they saw crowd. Anywhere they saw crowd, they want to throw bomb inside. The Fūlâni jihadists are starting their full operation. Hope Uzorima have brought them as many. Now, they know we are the only one that can stop them. But those areas that we are not going close, they want to be destroying those places. That is why you must be vigilant. Please be very careful. I've told you to stop night vigil. Don't go to any night vigil. Stop nightclub. Stop moving in the night. Late hour in the night. Make sure you are you reach your home latest 7. Please. For those of you who love night traveling, stop it. Because you never can tell what is waiting. These people are vampire. While we are making our effort to destroy them and destroy them forever, you must also do us good by keeping your life safe for us. Don't put your life at risk. Let these people come and die and give us chance to destroy them. Because sometimes it is you that weaken our hand. Because when you are in their midst, we cannot do anything. Just as it happened today. The market was selling and they just come. We cannot challenge them in the midst of those innocent market people. But before the people could vacate, some of them that we could have stand a chance to kill more were escaping. So please, do us good by giving us chance to destroy this enemy. Give them distance. Move away. Immediately you hear a sound of gun. Lie down flat. Stop running. Just find a safer place. Lie down flat. Lie down. Some of you will keep it running. And you hear the sound of gun in a public place, lie down flat on the ground. Don't stand up until that place is safer for you to do so. But I assure you that this enemy of Biafra you see today, you will see them no more. God have come that they may die, and they will all die. I do not intend to go further. Share this message and keep praying for the children of light. This war, we are winning. God bless you. Remain blessed. And may God of our land keep fighting for our favor. From me, from the land of Osumo, the land of the rising sun, the land of Biafra. It is good evening to the lovers of freedom. Good evening to all good Biafrans. And a very bad evening, bad night to the enemies of Biafrans. They will sleep and they will never wake up tomorrow. so shall it be in Eke, in Ore, in Afo, and Unkwo, now and forevermore. Ise.
Yeah, my wonderful people, no be small thing o. Make sure say you share this video for more update as e dey hot. You don see am say these people wetin dem dey plan for inside southeast e many o. But however, Chukwuokike Abiama no go allow the pikin shame. E go protect im children as e take dey protect us. But our people need to be more vigilant. Our people need to open their eyes. Ha mụrụ anya ka azụ. If not o, things wey dey happen for this northern side, if e start dey happen for southeast, no be small thing o. So for prevent that from happening, you will also share your eyes. Pastors, una don hear, no be small thing. Share the video so that other churches for inside BiafraLand go get this information and know wetin dey happen. For you wey dey waka in the night, may you still get the information and be careful. Okay, my people, we go quickly see you for the next update as e dey hot. Make sure say you share this video as many as you can.